7, what we've got is a form we fill out. We do ours digitally on an iPad the technicians have. This is a DASMA form we use. It's sufficient with NFPA 80 standards and manufacturer standards as well. A lot of the information captured on this form would be door location within the facility, door size, door ID number from the manufacturer, make and model type. Also, obviously, it's a dated form because this is an annual inspection that's required to be done once a year per NFPA 80. So the date's on there, the technicians' names are on there, and a sign off as well. So this is a critical part of it. And then the final step too, just for convenience sake, our technician Joe here is going to put an updated sticker on there, which is our annual fire door drop test record sticker. Just indicates that it's been done, the date it was done on, just to make sure we have additional notes of that just for convenience. At Dock and Door Tech, we do keep all of the certification records, the drop test forms on file. Should the client lose theirs or need quick access, we're always available to retrieve them for them. So any AHJ that is going on site, sees a fire door, should ask that client, manager there, for a copy of that drop test form. And if they can't provide that, they need to be able to do that to meet NFPA 80 standards and requirements. Thank you. I hope you found today's video useful.